This video tutorial we are going to learn and to understand how we can calculate the size of a list. As you can see on the screen, I have listed some important points about the list size. A list can contain any number of elements from 0 to as many as the computer's memory allows. A list with 0 element is called empty list, or it's denoted or defined like this. We can use the function len to figure it out how many elements are in a list. Or so len is a short form of length. So as you can see on the screen how we can calculate the length of a given list. So in this case is an empty list. So if there is any other list like list 1, like suppose I am defining list 1 and equal to a list 1, 2, 3, like that. For any value we can pass. In that case how we can calculate length. So this is similar len, inside that pass the list, okay, list value, so like that. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video with another informative video related to Python list.